After completing the AI Chatbot setting, proceed to add data for the AI Chatbot to use and respond to customers. Step 1. Create a topic. Choose Tab Knowledge Base, then click to Add button to create a topic. Step 2. Add to document. Here there are two ways. First way, you can add manually by copying and pasting each document. Second way, you can upload files available in formats such as PDF, TXT, Excel. Click on the button Upload File. Then, choose the topic that was created in the list. And choose a file to upload and train for the AI Chatbot. Each document page is created into one document. Select each document and name it for easy data management. Click on Train button to start train data for AI Chatbot.